Good morning, dear students. This is Pooja Pathak. So today I will tell you how to submit your work through Google Classroom. As many of you are facing problem in submitting your work through Google Classroom. So children, let's see how to do it. So first of all, you have to download Google Classroom app. Many of you have downloaded it also and you are joined in class already. So here my Google Classroom is here. So I'm going to click on this Google Classroom. So okay, when I have clicked it, I am able to see all my classes here on my screen. ठीक है, मेरे स्क्रीन पे जितनी भी क्लासेस हैं मैं मुझे वो दिख रही हैं. So I am going to check my class 6 like this. I will click on this. So here one attachment is showing. ठीक है, you can see your assignment from here also because on share everything which is announced that you are able to see. And next part is you can go to class work. When you go to classwork, you are also able to see your assignment. So here science assignment is showing. My teacher has given me assignment. When I click on it, ठीक है, my assignment is attach your chapter 3, that my teacher has told me to attach your chapter 3. So when I click on attach chapter 3, it comes like this. ठीक है, so here you are able to see the option your work. ठीक है, so when I click on your work, ठीक है, I will click on this option. ठीक है, so here you are able to see plus sign. ठीक है, plus sign means whatever the work you have done you have to attach it. ठीक है, जैसे आपने कॉपी में जो भी काम किया है you will just click a photo and attach that photos here so that your teacher able to check it. Okay, so I will click on this plus sign. ठीक है, when I click on this plus sign, you are able to see many options here like drive, link, file. You can immediately take photo and attach also. ठीक है, तो जो भी है, ठीक है, मैं लिंक भी भेज सकती हूँ फाइल. बट नाउ आई हैव क्लिक्ड माई असाइनमेंट. मैं पहले से मैंने काम कर लिया, मैंने फ़ोटो क्लिक करके रखी है. ठीक है, सो आई विल क्लिक ऑन फाइल. when I click on file, I'll able to see all the images here. ठीक है, जितनी भी मेरी गैलरी में images है, I'm able to see the images. ठीक है, so I'm going to attach this one. This is my science work. I'll click on this and it is going to attached here. ठीक है, we will wait till it got attached. ठीक है, so here attachment is here, that this image is attached here. ठीक है, suppose that children your one page is attached. ठीक है, I have 3 or 4 pages more, so I will again go on this plus sign attachment. I will again go on this file. I will search my image. Suppose that this is my image. I will click on this and it is again going to be attached here. So like this you can attach as many as pages, as many as images. ठीक है, whatever the work you have done you can attach here one by one. Or you can make a PDF also. You can attach your PDF. ठीक है, if you don't want to add one by one image, you can make PDF of all those pages and you can simply attach your PDF here also. ठीक है, now I am going to attach 2 images. ठीक है, 2 images से मेरा work complete हो गया. So now I'm here it is add private comment. It is optional but you can add comment also, any comment like my name is this from class. ठीक है, like that I am going to write. ठीक है, Pooja of class 6th. ठीक है, Pooja class 6th submitting my work. Submitting my work or submitted the work. Submitted the work. Thank you. Okay, so here I will add this comment also. Okay, so my this comment is added. So now I will click on the option turn in. ठीक है, so I will submit it. Yes, my work is submitted. Okay, now my work is submitted to my teacher. And beta if you find any problem like आपने गलत image add कर दी है या गलत work add किया, you can unsubmit here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे unsubmit करके you can cancel that image and you can submit it again. Okay, so this is all about, and when it is showing turn in means your work has been submitted to your teacher. So children, this is all about. If you find any problem, any confusion, do let me know. Thank you.